So my Summer Scholars research project is what I'm holding in my hand right now. It's not actually the drone, it's what's on top of it. So it's a system of 3D printed parts to mount a camera to this drone. But the goal is for it to be a modular platform, like a platform that's modular. So you could put a LiDAR sensor on it, you could put an infrared sensor on it, any of those things with just, small tweaks to the file. So some things that surprised me about my particular project in Summer Scholars is how basically there was almost no documentation on what I was doing. I had figured that this would be something that, a whole bunch of other people before me had done, but it seems to be very new. And I thought I'd kind of hit a dead end. But when I found that, I realized, okay, this project is actually feasible. I can actually get this to lift off, off the ground. I'd say the thing that I'm most excited for as the Summer Scholars program comes to a close is being able to use this as not only a platform for this particular drone, but being able to scale it up and use it on other drones. What I would say to any CNU student who wants to get into the research side of things and do this program is have something ready. So have a template for what you want your initial submission paper to be. It's basically a door that leads to a warehouse, right? If the door is just like your point of entry, you have such a wide open space of things you can do with research that makes it, honestly, a possible start to your career.